Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Welcome back everyone to another Before the Shelf review video. Today we are taking a look at the next assortment, Mix 10 of the Reveal the Steel double packs by Spin Master Monster Jam. As you may know by now, all of the double packs for 2020 Spin Master and moving forward likely will be color changers. And these are called, of course, like I said before, Reveal the Steel because you are revealing the diecast body underneath. If you guys haven't seen my other review videos on Reveal the Steel, please check them out and you'll get more of a sense of what's happening. But you also see basically through this demonstration what exactly is happening. Anyway, so this is Mix 10. This is the fourth assortment of 2020 and one of the final ones actually. I think there's only 6 assortments this year for the double packs. So we'll see a couple more sets of these and then we will be finished for 2020 double packs. These trucks are some of the coolest ones I have to say so far, and as you can see here, I'm a little biased because these happen to be my 2 favorite drivers in one pack. Bakugan Dragonoid, which is Camden Murphy, and Ryan Anderson in the Son of Digger. So awesome pack. I'm amazed that they set this pack up together because it just again happens to be my 2 favorite drivers. But there they are, Bakugan Dragonoid versus Son of Digger, and we also have the Green Ghost Grave Digger versus the Mystery Machine. This is probably my favorite truck of all of the double packs so far ever released. And we have Mystery Machine again. This is a very cool callback to a little bit earlier in the year when we had the 3 packs from Target, the Curse of the Gasoline, when Scooby-Doo and Mystery Machine took on the 1/24 scale Green Ghost Gravedigger in that story pack. So awesome that they're doing this again in the double packs. I think that Mystery Machine was ultimately the better deal over Scooby-Doo just because Mystery Machine includes all of the people in the crime fighting gang and Scooby-Doo is included in that as well. I wish they would do a Scooby-Doo one. I don't know if they are going to release a Scooby-Doo Reveal the Steel, but it would be cool to see that too. However, I do prefer Mystery Machine, and obviously Green Ghost Gravedigger looks insane. I will get more close-ups on this in a minute. And then we also have the Dragon versus Soldier Fortune. And the final pack of this assortment is the Jurassic Attack versus Monster Mutt. So we're going to start actually with the Dragon versus Soldier Fortune. And we'll unbox this right now. And then I'll get the water set up. So we're going to unbox it first. On the back of the card, we have the Chrome Green Ghost versus the Chrome Mystery Machine. I cannot wait to see those in action, though. So here we go. Unboxing the Dragon versus Soldier Fortune Reveal the Steel pack right now. And here they are. For the first time out of the box, we have the Dragon with this kind of lighter green paint scheme than usual because sometimes the paint schemes can't be perfect, but they got it pretty close. It's kind of an interesting medieval looking green. And then we have the Army Green, actually a perfect match to the normal Soldier Fortune color. That's amazing. So there's Soldier Fortune with this clear Army Green roll cage and clear dark Army Green rims. Dragon has these crystallized orange rims and same with the roll cage here. So here we go. We're going to do our demonstration of the Reveal the Steel trucks. The cold water with the ice on the left side here, obviously denoted by the C. And then we have the W, which is the warm water, which is 91 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. I recommend just using a low temperature warm water. It does not have to be boiling hot for this to be done. So here we go. We have Dragon first up on the left side with, or actually the right side with the warm water. So we can reveal the steel now. Here we go. And you can see the steel color coming through and it'll heat up on its own. I'm using relatively high temperature water just for the sake of the review, but again, I do not recommend going any higher than just standard warm. So here it is. You can see it changed by itself. The Dragon is now a steel dragon. The horns are definitely popping off this body much more than they were before. The graphics also very bright now, and I love the look of this chrome dragon. It's almost a dark chrome. So there it is, and you can see the roll cage again in the X-ray format with the clear translucent color. And we'll bring that back later. It's still warm. We'll do the Soldier Fortune next. So you should see all of this green paint disappear. So here we go. I think I'll do it this way. So, yep, that was relatively quick. Sorry, got my finger in the camera way. So here it is. The Chrome Soldier Fortune. Hard to see because the camo does cover most of the body and that doesn't change colors, but we do have enough exposed, I think, for the point to get across. I like this chrome look, and you can see it there with the, again, clear army color rims and roll cage. And we're going to bring these back now. So if I cool down the Dragon, it should turn back to green. Again, relatively immediately, actually, right there. So there's the green. And then if I bring back Soldier Fortune, that's pretty instant too. So there it is, a strong green color. You can tell the difference now. So the next one up is the Monster Mutt versus the Jurassic Attack, and the back of the box just has Soldier Fortune, as we just saw, and the Dragon. So I'm gonna box these actually, I'm gonna box these right here, kind of carefully. So here we go. Here's Monster Mutt, and then here is the Jurassic Attack. All right, so a little unorthodox on my unboxing style there, but I didn't want to have to move the water out of the way. So here we go. Now we have the Monster Mutt and Jurassic Attack. I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to look with all this detail. So here we go. That's pretty interesting. Okay. So here is the Monster Mutt in revealed form. The actual shading of the fur has remained on the truck, which is awesome. And the mouth, fur, and collar has also stayed, and the eyebrows have stayed the same color. So basically the light brown has disappeared. That's really cool. So that's an awesome looking Monster Mutt. And then also it has these transparent red rims and a transparent brown roll cage. And then Jurassic Attack has the same exact roll cage color, but this time it has blue rims to counteract the blue color on the truck. And Monster Mutt obviously having red to match the collar and tongue. So here we go, the Jurassic Attack. This one should have, yeah, a little bit of detail left over. I saw it on the card art. So you can see the blue has, for the most part, disappeared, but the actual detail of the scales does stay, the blue outlining. And the, I think it's called the flare or something like that, does stay in light blue color as well. And the negative space bar also remaining there. The tailgate did not change. There we go. Oh, I guess it just has enough scales that it looks blue. So there it is, the Jurassic Attack and the Monster Mutt. The white horns also staying the same color. So pretty interesting, and now we'll bring back the Mutt. So there it is. So you see the different colors there. And then the Jurassic Attack, you can definitely tell it was different once you put it back to the actual paint form. It's hard to tell with the chrome form, but I like it. It's a really cool truck. I do like Monster Mutt, however, better than Jurassic Attack because I liked how the details stayed. Bakugan Dragonoid, the company truck for Spin Master, and my other favorite truck in the world, the Son of a Digger by Ryan Anderson. So Camden Murphy and a Ryan Anderson pack. What a match made in heaven for at least my channel and my collecting. So here we go. Also, sorry, the back of the box had the Monster Mutt and Jurassic Attack. So here we go again, the Bakugan Dragonoid versus Son of a Digger. There's Dragonoid, and here is the Son of a Digger. So these ones I'm sure are going to be really cool. The one thing I want to point out before we start is that the wings and the arm and the horn for Bakugan Dragonoid do not change colors as they are not metal. If I have to give my own opinion here, and I will, I would have loved them to do the maroon color like this pink color is for the wings, just so it matched better, because it has this weird bright red that doesn't match the body color. I'm not sure if that's something they thought about doing or if they just were pressed for time, but I think that it would have worked much better had it matched the paint color more so than it is now. But it also might be because they didn't want to create a special paint scheme. Technically, this is not supposed to be a different Bakugan. It's just the red wouldn't match. So I think that's why it's supposed to be the same Bakugan, so they had to use the same wings. That would be my guess why this is the way it is. It also has a bright, almost a pink roll cage with the transparency and transparent green rims. And then Son of a Digger has the transparent purple roll cage with dark transparent blue rims. So we're going to reveal Bakugan Dragonoid first. Here we go. Only a portion of it should reveal. Sorry, let me get that out of the way. So here is the chrome Dragonoid. Pretty sick though, still with the red wings. I like that. So you can see the eyeball is in green. And there's the side panel. There's the roof. The tail didn't get quite. There we go. So the whole thing just turns chrome, which looks really cool. They should definitely make a chrome Bakugan in real life at some point. I think that would be awesome with the full chrome wings and all that. So there's Bakugan Dragonoid. And then we have the Son of a Digger. So here it is. Very close to the Hot Wheels Chrome Series Son of a Digger from the past. Reminds me a lot of that. So very awesome. I love Chrome Son of a Digger. I always have thought that would also be a great body for them to do in the future. like they did the Chrome Gravedigger in real life. So there it is, the Chrome Son of Digger and the Chrome Bakugan Dragonoid. So let's change Bakugan back to its maroon paint scheme. And you can see there, the tail will slowly cool down and change itself, but there it is back on the red, and then we have the black on Son of a Digger. And then we have the final pack, which is my favorite pack so far, the Mystery Machine versus Green Ghost Gravedigger. Unboxing right now. Actually, one more thing. Here is the Dragonoid versus Son of a Digger card back. All right, here we go. The Mystery Machine and Green Ghost. So here they are, the two trucks from this pack, and the first thing I want to mention is that we have a correction on the Green Ghost, which was something that Jordan from Spin Master actually put his time and effort into doing. So the original Green Ghost from the Retro Gravedigger 5 pack had the render accurate face, which you can see it's basically the roof face, the screaming mouth with the mouth wide open. That was not how the real life truck looked, so he went back and actually corrected that to be how the real life truck was. And that is this kind of a frowning face instead of a screaming face. So it is a fixed edition of the Green Ghost. You also notice he added more to the eyeballs. The original truck did not have these kind of dark black circles. They painted it with these bright circles around the red pupils. So he did detail this up to be accurate to the real truck. So the difference is a little hard to see because it's a small scale, but on the 1/24 scale from the Target 3 packs, you can definitely see the difference. But that's not where the detail and the absolute awesomeness of this truck ends. It also has its Retro Gravedigger 5 pack tires still for this pack. You can see they are clear with a clear green rim. I love this setup. You guys know I love clear things, and especially clear tires that are actually pure clear, and the rims also complement it perfectly. But the fact that they kept the Retro Gravedigger 5 pack tires is even better, and you can see it also has a different color, lime green, slimy almost color roll cage for this truck, then a gray chassis. And then we have the same roll cage color with a bright fluorescent green yellow chassis with transparent burnt orange rims for Mystery Machine. And the first one we're going to reveal is the Green Ghost. So here we go. The new corrected Green Ghost mouth with the clear retro tires for the Reveal the Steel right now. So here it is. That is so awesome. They should definitely... I say this for everything, but they should definitely make a Green Ghost chrome paint scheme at some point in real life. Actually, they should just run Green Ghost again, period, but this is so awesome. The green stands off the chrome incredibly well, so that is awesome. And I love the face. He did such an amazing job recreating that. So here it is, the Green Ghost in chrome form with those ghostly clear tires. And now we're going to chrome out the Mystery Machine. And you can tell Mystery Machine is not the classic turquoise color. That's because bright paint schemes were not working with the Reveal the Steel, so they did have to modify some paint schemes to be different than usual, but I still think it looks pretty sick. So let's make it chrome with the warm water. And this is a pretty big casting, so it's going to be a little hard for me to get in one dip, so we'll have to do it again. Right, there we go. So there it is, the Chrome Mystery Machine, another perfect body scheme for this thematic series. These two and the Bakugan Dragonoid and Son of Digger have been some of the coolest ones. Also, I'd say Monster Mutt was pretty awesome here. So you can see I am really happy with all of them. I hope you guys are too, so please comment below. Let me know and the design team what you guys think about this set of the Reveal the Steel trucks, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, this is Ryan or Monster Mo CD, signing out.